Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. And just say I'm gonna use settings as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, like my settings page right here, all you need to do is press power key and volume up at the same time. Now normally on Android it's volume down on almost every phone, but iPhone decided to be special and you have instead volume up. So just press both of them and that's it. Now it looks like we don't have any kind of additional settings for it, no scrollable screenshots, no editing right here accessible. It does just show you that you have captured a screenshot and congrats, that's it. It disappears after a moment. But if you wanted to capture, I don't know, maybe a longer version of this, yeah, that's not a thing here. Now that screenshot that I have just captured can be located in our Photos application. And if you go into albums, it will be visible under the recent, as you can see right over here. That's the settings page that I have just captured. And let's see if it also creates a screenshot. Yep, there we go, we have screenshots folder. And in here you'll locate, or not locate, but you will find only the screenshots that are located on your phone. Additionally, you do also have this button right here to scan for text. Right? There we go. So it finds any kind of text in the screenshots that I have captured. I believe this is also accessible in the photos as well. So there we go. And you could now just select each kind of word from this screenshot, which is a really handy feature, to be honest. But anyway, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.